In this video, we will show you an on-site installation of the ESE Lightning Arrester, which was done at a client's location in Mumbai. Before we get into the actual installation, please note that you should complete the lightning protection and earthing system design, including site assessment, risk assessment, soil resistivity measurements, and more before installing your ESE. Based on these calculations, you can decide the location of the lightning arrester, earthing installation, and select the appropriate ESE model. You can use this chart to choose the lightning arrester best suited to your structure. For example, if your structure's height is 10 meters with a mast of 5 meters, your total height is 15 meters. If you're aiming for protection level 4 for your structure, then your protection radius will be 111 meters for the ASLA 60 model. We have installed the ASLA 60 lightning arrester in this video. Now, let's start with the installation procedure. The installation is done in 4 phases. Phase 1 is assembling the ESE arrester. Phase 2 is assembling and installing the mast. Phase 3 is installing the down conductor, and Phase 4 is installing the earth termination. Let's start with Phase 1, assembling the ESE arrester. This phase has 3 steps. Firstly, read the instruction manual carefully. It is enclosed in the product packaging. Secondly, fix the adapter to the ESE arrester which is required for the mast. Step 3, fix the lower spike of the ESE with the help of the Allen key provided in the box. We have a specific video dedicated to assembling the ESE lightning arrester. The link is in the description. Now, on to Phase 2. Assembling and installing the mast. To install the mast in the shortlisted location, first you must make the concrete foundation. The mast can be installed on the structure with the help of a suitable bracket or into the structure directly with the help of anchor fastener bolts. Please note, a heightened mast comes with a suitable section which needs to be assembled at the site during installation. Assemble the mast sections with the help of accessories provided for suitable height as per the lightning protection system design that you performed earlier. Now, fix the assembled ESE arrester to the mast and connect the conductor to the ESE arrester with the help of the connection clamp provided along with the product. To install the mast at your identified location, you need to drill holes to install the anchor fasteners. After that, fix the base of the mast on the foundation with the help of an anchor fastener. To protect the mast from heavy wind flow, use the guy wire. Fix the guy wire on the mast and supporting structure or foundation if required. Now, on to Phase 3, down conductor installation. The conductor which is connected to the ESE should then be taken downwards. Use the conductor holder clamp to fix the down conductor onto the wall. Maintain a distance of 0.5 to 1 meter to fix the down conductor. Install the lightning event counter to count the number of lightning strikes. It will be installed on the down conductor. You can watch our other video dedicated to the installation of lightning event counters. It is recommended to use insulated conductors or insulated sleeves on the conductor at the bottom, at the height of 2 meters for safety purposes. Phase 4, earth termination. Step 1. Identify the right location based on your earthing design. Step 2. Dig a hole with a depth of 3 meters or equivalent to the length of your earth rod and a diameter of 120 to 150 millimeters. Step 3. Place the earth rod at the center of the hole. Make sure to remove all packaging material from the rod before placing it into the hole. Ensure that the pointed side of the rod is going into the ground. Step 4. Use a coupler to extend the rod as per the required length. Step 5. To improve soil resistivity, use earth enhancing compound as backfill. For this, pre-mix the earth enhancing compound into a semi-liquid mixture using the required amount of water. Step 6. Pour the mixture into the hole and completely fill it to the top. To ensure that the mixture completely fills the hole, keep agitating the rod while pouring the mixture in. Step 7. Place the earth pit on the earth rod. To protect the rod from external factors or environmental conditions and for easy inspection and maintenance. Step 8. Connect the conductor to the earth rod with the help of a ground clamp For proper earthing connection, use the clamps to connect the earth rod to the conductors. Note: check the resistance value of the entire system to ensure that you have met your project specifications. You can watch our video on earth resistance measurement, the link is in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos about earthing, lightning protection and other electrical products. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. You can also comment the topics you would like us to cover next time. Again, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified for our new videos.